guys, Mix here. Today we're doing the first ever triple moto vlog. We got Dylan on the Baja Warrior, and we got Kyle on his mini bike Mackenzie. Me and Dylan both have Predator 212 cc's, and Kyle has a 79cc, but it still rips. Ooh, that's pretty fast. Woo! Man, that 79cc is pretty quick. We're a squad. This is a squad, guys. This is a squad. And Dylan even has his build, guys. We got the squad going. That mini bike beat was so fun. And me and Kyle are talking. Woo! Yeah. What's up for Dylan? Woo! Man, we're just mobbing the streets.
Light speed.
Yeah, light speed. Me and Kyle are talking over FaceTime audio right now. It's actually working pretty good. Guys, this is awesome. And we're gonna do so many adventures, like off-road. The video's gonna be so much longer. Oh, we gotta turn around. Oh, the chain again. The chain! No, we got it. Yeah. All right, put the chain on the clutch. What? Put the chain on the teeth over there.
Kill switch.
On. Oh, you kill switched me. You kill switched me. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, it's under the it's under this.
Oh shit.
All right, there we go. Okay, you're on. Just
Oh, okay.
Man.
Ain't that loose?
Yeah. Wow, it's really loose. All right, just yeah, okay, that's really loose. Try not to just like rip it, you know? Yeah. Keep it a constant throttle. We gotta keep it kind of slow because look how loose the chain is. I think we should head.
Feel a wrench on us.
Yeah, should we head back and just tighten it?
Yeah, I guess so. And we'll keep the wrench on us. One of us will hold on to it.
Alright, we're gonna head back quick and tighten it. Alright, let's just walk it back.
Well, isn't this lovely?
Yeah, I guess we had to tighten it more.
I'm gonna start walking down this since I'm slower than you guys.
Alright, so how's Mackenzie? She's going pretty fast.
High top speed, not good acceleration though.
That's alright.
Dude, she's so agile though. Like turning is so easy. You wanna try it next time?
Sure. Are you able to drive Steve?
Yeah, sure. You just wanna drive back on this? I'll drive on that.
Alright. Alright, here we go, guys. About to swap bikes quick. Like really easy on the throttle, alright?
Okay. Yeah, I know.
Oh, driving Mackenzie. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Is the choke off? Alright, now we're good. Oh my gosh. This is so small. Holy cow. Woo! Still rips. Man, this thing rips.
Holy moly, this is hard to ride. Ah! I'm wheeling!
Gotta grab the tools for the Baja. What's up, quad? Got a new battery for that coming. I know you guys requested the quad build, so that's coming. Okay, ratchet, 19mm, and vice grip. Eat. Alright guys, we're back out on the road. The chain all tightened up. There they are, squad. Hopefully you can see them. Woo! Squad! Oh, I think Steve's running out of gas.
Uh-oh. You have another bottle.
No, I think I don't know. I think we might be good. I don't know. Oh no, we're good.
Hey.
hit with some exhaust.
What?
I got hit with some exhaust.
What did you say?
Nothing.
Oh, Steve's running out of gas. Yeah, he's running out of gas. Oh, look at Dylan go! Woo! Oh, yeah! Wow, he goes as fast as Steve. I gotta fill up.
Right now?
Yeah, I'm running out.
Can you make it home?
What?
Can you make it home?
Yeah, we gotta stop home quick and fill up. Dylan! Dylan! Oh my gosh, come back. Running out of gas. Dylan! Straight! No, I'm out. Come on, Steve, start. Yeah, dang it. This trip of Motovlog's going very bad.
Third time's the charm now.
Yeah, third time's a charm. Ran out of gas.
What happened?
Ran out of gas. Oh man, this is my first time ever running Steve out of gas. Oh.
I'll run down there and get the bottle.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it.
Alright.
You want me to just go get the bottle?
Dylan's going to get it.
Oh, alright. Well, I'll just walk with you.
Alright. I was full throttling it and you were exactly in line with me.
I know.
Like, they're literally like exact same top speed.
Yeah, but you got a faster acceleration.
Yeah.
A few inches later.
Guys, so I just went to pouring the gas and hoping that I could just use this bottle, but the wind caught it and flew all over here. Alright guys, hopefully we have enough to power Steve enough for this video. Oh no. Choke maybe? I don't know if this is gonna be enough. Guess we'll just see. Oh boy. Alright.
Oh, roll out.
Back on the road again. On the road again. Woo! 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 Look at Dylan go!
That was a good one.
Man, I still can't believe how fast, I can't believe how fast Mackenzie is for being a 79cc.
Yeah, I know.
Woohoo! Let's do a drag race. Oh, jeez! Jeez!